The oceans of the world are sometimes referred to as the last frontier on Earth. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, 95% remains unexplored. We're constantly finding new species to marvel over. Space is referred to as the final frontier, and not just by fans of Star Trek. Space is huge. Step outside on a clear night, hold your thumb out to the sky at arm's length, and you'll cover thousands, maybe millions of galaxies. Our strongest telescopes can't see the edge of the universe. Our furthest reaching satellite, Voyager 1, has barely even left our solar system. No human being has traveled any further than just our own moon. So many amazing discoveries left to be made out there. Meanwhile, you and I and every human being alive are each carrying around about 3 pounds of multicolored jelly that are as mysterious as any grand frontier, as unfathomable as the ocean, and as potentially infinite as space. That's right, the human brain. Science is really only beginning to scratch the surface about how the brain functions. It's predominantly limited to the physical, chemical, and electrical because these can be measured by existing devices and, therefore, provable by established scientific methods. However, to truly explore something so incredible, one has to step beyond the known, beyond what's currently understandable and measurable, and move into the world of potential, possibility, and unfamiliarity. To be open to accept things which are not readable by gadgets and gizmos, that cannot be explained in intricate detail, but the effects and outcomes of which can be proven nonetheless by simple, repeated observation. To see a brain by itself, pickled in a jar on display, it really doesn't look particularly impressive. Certainly not impressive enough to explain what it can really do when one begins to explore its true potential. What makes the brain so impressive and so mysterious is its ability to make connections outside itself, the ability to send and receive signals to and from the minds of other people and of God. To get started, one just has to begin to accept that it is possible, lower the resistance to listening, and be open to the signals. Never mind out there. I want to explore in here to understand and better utilize my own brain and the powerful connections it can make. Some of the best training is available right here, along with many fellow explorers, and that's why I'm sticking with the Mental Cleanse program.